Hi guys, I welcome you back to my another 3ds Max tutorial. So we are in a still in a basic mode. So yeah, today's topic is you have to know about the segments. So okay, so let's say I create a box. Okay, so you are seeing the box, this is a box. Okay, just create from the standard primitive, and you can go up. Okay, so the edges is where the edges is like this, the white line boundary you were seeing. These are the edges. So right now the box has, 1 2 3 4 4 and 5 or um, six plane combining the box, and this the joint part, this white border are the edges. So sometimes we need to increase the box, and sometimes we need to decrease or manipulate the edges according to the model needs. So how can we do that? We have to select the model, and we have to go for the modify. This is the modify. This is the create tab, and beside that is the modify tab. So you see, the length segment, the width segment, and the height segment is 1 1 1. So please focus on. If we gonna manipulate this one, we saw this one, that length is okay. So if we manipulate this, the length is increased, the width is increased, and the height is increased. Okay, but you see the below these three, the length segment, width segment, and the height segment. So see what happen if I increase it. You see, if I go it 2, it's give it like this direction, as a cutting edge kind of thing. You see, if I click 2, they split it in 3. So increase it, increase it. You see, so I can determine that how many segments. Let's say 4. Okay, so for 1 2 3 4. Okay, in this direction and this direction, if we have to do that, you see, yeah. And then the height segment is this. You see, now all is the length segment, width segment, and the height segment, all are 4 by 4 by 4. So you see, this is the part. So all is, the individual, actually, they can be an individual part, or they can be, part of a model. So yeah, so you can increase very high numbers, something like this, or whatever. Don't go too much, because of it gonna cost computer resources. So this is actually according to the model's need. So we can go much higher, like this and this, and this. So you see this is almost like a white thing. So back to the default position, that 1 1 and 1. Okay, so this is kind of a box. Okay, so this is the box segment. So we can see here, there is a sphere. Okay, you see the sphere is giving you this edge. So we can increase the thing, that sphere segments. You see, segments. So if we increase, the default value is 32. But we can increase the segments. So actually, what happens, what segments actually doing? Let's say we are decreasing, the default value is 32, or I'll take another sphere, so for the better understanding. Let's say this one. Okay, So here, let's say the default is 32. What happen if we decrease that, the segments? You see, you carefully notice the when I decreasing, the shape of the the sphere is becoming very edged, very rough. You see, you see. So if I decrease the shape, it's becoming very rough and something like this. This, okay. This is only 4 segments, the sphere. This is a sphere, guys. So if we increase that, this is becoming gradually forming the sphere. So, and it is becoming smoother. It is becoming smooth. Okay. Decrease is, it is giving the rough edges. See there, see the sides, the rough edges. And if we increase the shape, it is becoming round and much smooth. You see? You see? This is very round. This is completely smooth, kind of a very smooth ball. All because of these segments, because there is maybe thousands of square boxes like this. So it is almost 100, let's say the 100 segments. So if we decrease it, what is happening? The thing is, losing the shape. So the default value is 32. Okay, let's go for geosphere. Geosphere is also the segments thing. You can go up or you can go down. Okay, then the cylinder, you have the cylinder. Cylinder has its own segment modifier. So you can increase the segment like this. You can increase the segment like in the top part you can increase, and also you know for here, and also for sides. Yeah, sides. Okay, so what happened, you see, it is becoming octagonal and diagonal, and it's losing the smoothness. So you see. Okay, okay, then the tube, go for the tube thing. Okay, it has the height segment like this. It has also the cap segments like this, and it has the, okay, it has the the radius. So what happened, we decrease the radius. It's also like decreasing, like a cylinder decreasing the becoming octagonal and becoming very rough. So you can play with the with the sides. Okay, then the torus, also the same thing. Yeah, let's decrease the decrease the segments. What happened? Becoming rough. Increase the segments, becoming very smooth, and the sides. So if I decrease the size, it will also becoming very rough. And if we increase the size, it is becoming like a like a donut or something. Yeah, so you can just eat it. Okay. Okay, torus and the teapot. Okay, the famous teapot is here. Okay, see what if I decrease the size. You see the teapot is like this. This is only one segment, I mean one particular segment. So if we increase the shape, see what happens. The teapot is becoming very smooth. You see. So See the difference. This is the smooth teapot with the heavy segment, and this is the, you know, this is the rough teapot with the, less segment. So this one has one segment, this one has 31 segments, you see. So this is the segments is doing, and whatnot, pyramid. Okay, okay. So the segments is like this, and also like this. You see the pyramid segments, and also teapot. Yeah, the plane. Finally, the plane. Okay. Yeah. So the plane is coming with go to modify the 4x4x4. Okay. Increase the segments. Increase the segments. You see what happens? So this is the plane. Okay. So you can decrease and you can decrease. Okay. So this is all, guys, for the segment part. So you know about the segments and what it is capable. Segment is actually for smoothing the objects, is smoothing, and also, in an advanced term, I will show you what is segments is capable of, and what why we are using it. But the basic term is segments is for, smoothing an object. If we increase the segments, it will smooth the object. If we decrease the segments, it will becoming more rough. The shape will be distorted. But if we increase the segments in a very high amount, the model will be so much heavier. So that part I will show you in advanced period. So okay, guys, this is for today now. So I will come back again. Thank you.